Om Shanti, 11 June 2020. In today's Bab Dada's Sakar Murli, Shiv Baba has talked about the importance of this sacrificial fire, and also we call it as university, where every soul of this universe is capable and eligible to enroll, irrespective of the race, religion, quality, deformities, etc. Shiv Baba says that as soon as and gradually more steps when you put in this particular path, so there will be so many obstacles on your way, because as there is this remembrance where people say devils create obstacles in the sacrificial fire that God has created. So this is the time when Shiv Baba has created this fire, this sacrificial fire of knowledge, where he is suggesting, not ordering, but suggesting we children to actually turn all the deformities into ashes. But when we try to inculcate any new habit, when we try to implement any point of Shiv Baba's Murli or teachings, so there would definitely be challenges from our own sanskars or probably from the sanskar of people living around us. So this is nothing but obstacles. In order to pass this particular obstacle or any sort of obstacle coming on our way with honor, for that one thing is required, and that is the consistency in this knowledge. Like Shiv Baba says, never miss the Murli. And we will never miss the Murli only when we have the firm understanding and belief that yes, the Supreme God is teaching. Today's blessing is really good, where Shiv Baba says that may you put a garland of virtues around those who defame you and become a special deity and a great soul. Greatness is not in returning any sort of abusive words to somebody who's abusing you. Instead, like Shiv Baba says, you're a deity, and everything is accurate in drama, as Baba has also talked about drama today, that every scene is accurate. You cannot expect to, or it would be really wrong to say that Shiv Baba is responsible in creating the sacrificial fire of this knowledge. Shiv Baba says no, just edit this statement and say that it was there in the drama, and hence Shiv Baba is here to play his part. He says, look this drama like a detached observer. There is no point of keeping any attachment to any scene of this drama, because every soul has to depart sooner or later, and the bodies will become into ashes. So Shiv Baba says, if someone is defaming you, so by keeping the understanding of accuracy of this world drama, just forgive them and put the garland of virtues around those. Shiv Baba also said that your attitude has to be so powerful, the attitude of mind has to be so powerful, so powerful, that even something that has gone bad will become good. Even something that has gone bad means it was not meant to happen, but if something happened by mistake, so that thing will become good. Or in other words, we can say everything that is happening around will seem accurate with this third eye of knowledge when we keep the understanding and belief in drama exactly in front of us. Shiv Baba has asked and talked about the real surrendering yourself, where he says you have to surrender everything to Shiv Baba through intellect. There is no point of leaving everything behind and going to some jungle or sitting in some center. Developing a simple lifestyle where there is simple living, high thinking does not require renunciating the old home or people. It just requires the transformation in the lifestyle or in the way of thinking that we carry on our shoulders for a long, or you can say for a very long period of time. Shiv Baba says that you should not miss this chance where the God himself is here to ensure your 21 births. And for this, even if you have to sacrifice the worldly study, so you should do that. But you should not say that I don't have enough time, I cannot study Murli, I cannot be on the path of spirituality. Because spirituality is not some another path. Shiv Baba's knowledge is not something that has to be followed or studied after leaving every karma that we have to perform. But it is the way of doing karma. Shiv Baba is teaching the way of doing karma. Like when Shiv Baba is saying that if someone is defaming you, you should be great towards them. So this has to be practiced by living among those people who will actually defame you. So Shiv Baba is never asking to renunciate home. It was a requirement in the early time where our beloved Brahma Baba has actually set an amazing example by renunciating everything in just 1 second and by establishing that thing. Because Brahma Baba had that situation of renunciating. He was the master of all. And he had to do that task of establishment. But now today we have to give proof of Shiv Baba through our actions, through our behavior, our motivation, our sense of living this life. So this is what Shiv Baba said in today's Murli. This was all about the essence. Om Shanti.